Hello and welcome back. So you are here because you probably got the same error that I did. Django does templates does exceptions or templates does not exist. This is the CK editor when you wanted to add the rich text to your project. So I am here to show you how to fix it. Now once you've gotten this error, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to first check your settings.py to know if you have defined the static root. You need to set that. Then after doing that, you need to run this particular command, python manage.py collectstatic. So you need to run the command. I saw it in a Stack Overflow question and answer section. So the command is going to be in the description below if you can't really see it from here. So you are going to run the command python manage.py collectstatic. Now once you've done that, it's going to ask you a question, and for that question you have to type in yes. If you go to the Stack Overflow article, here this person talks about it and he said run the command python manage.py collectstatic. Then it's going to ask you to overwrite existing files. Then once you've seen that question, just type in yes and press enter, and then the problem is going to be fixed. That is what I did, and it worked perfectly for me. So thank you for watching this video.